Before diving into the enchanting world of William Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream, it's important to have a basic understanding of the main characters. The play is filled with a colorful cast of characters, each with their own unique personalities and quirks. By taking the time to learn about the characters, you'll be able to fully appreciate the intricate plot and understand the motivations behind their actions. But before we continue, let us shine a spotlight on one of the central figures in this delightful tale: Egeus, father of Hermia. Egeus, a prominent character in William Shakespeare's play, A Midsummer Night's Dream, is the father of Hermia. As a respected member of Athenian society, Egeus embodies authority, traditional values, and strict adherence to societal norms. His character plays a pivotal role in the comedic and tumultuous events that unfold throughout the play. Egeus is introduced as a concerned and determined father who desires to control his daughter's fate. He firmly believes in the arranged marriage system and expects Hermia to marry Demetrius, a suitor of his choice. Egeus represents the societal expectations and constraints of the time, where parental authority held significant influence over their children's romantic choices. His character displays a rigid adherence to patriarchal norms, valuing obedience and duty above personal desires. Egeus' deep-seated conviction in upholding the law and the importance of parental consent becomes a source of conflict when Hermia rebels against his wishes, refusing to marry Demetrius and instead expressing her love for Lysander. Egeus approaches Theseus, the Duke of Athens, seeking support to enforce Athenian law, which grants him the power to decide Hermia's fate. He demands that Hermia either obey him and marry Demetrius, face a life of chastity as a nun, or even worse, be put to death. Egeus' strict and uncompromising stance underscores his determination to maintain control over his daughter's choices, regardless of her feelings. While Egeus' character initially embodies a rigid and uncompromising figure, his portrayal adds an element of comedy to the play. His interactions with Theseus and the magical interference of the fairies create humorous situations and highlight the absurdity of the strict societal norms he upholds. My fellow explorers of literature, join me in our next episode as we immerse ourselves in the captivating world of complexity that is an integral part of this enchanting play. Until then, stay curious and embrace the magic of Shakespeare's A Midsummer Night's Dream.